The 2025 Ford F-650 Limousine is an absolute behemoth on the road, combining the rugged durability of a commercial truck with the luxury and extravagance of a high-end limo. This massive machine is built on Ford's F-650 chassis, which is typically reserved for heavy-duty work vehicles, but in this case, it has been transformed into the ultimate statement of opulence. The exterior design commands attention with its stretched body, bold front grille, and LED lighting that enhances its imposing presence. Rolling on massive, heavy-duty wheels, this limo isn't just about looks, it's built to handle the road with authority. The extended wheelbase ensures a smooth ride despite its size, making it perfect for VIP transport, party rentals, or any occasion that demands over-the-top luxury. Stepping inside, the interior of the F-650 Limousine is nothing short of breathtaking. Plush leather seating lines the cabin, offering supreme comfort with heating, cooling, and massage functions. High-end wood and metal accents give the space an upscale feel, while customizable LED mood lighting sets the perfect atmosphere. A state-of-the-art entertainment system takes center stage, featuring multiple large LED screens, a premium surround sound system, and connectivity options for all modern devices. The built-in bar area, complete with glassware storage and refrigeration, elevates the luxury experience, making it ideal for high-profile events or just an unforgettable night out. Passenger capacity varies depending on the customization, but this limo easily accommodates large groups in a spacious and comfortable setting. Under the hood, the 2025 Ford F-650 Limousine is powered by a monstrous 6.7L power-stroke V8 turbo diesel engine, delivering immense torque and reliability. Paired with a heavy-duty automatic transmission, this powertrain ensures smooth and effortless cruising, even with the added weight of the extended body. Despite its size, the suspension is engineered to absorb road imperfections, providing a surprisingly comfortable ride. The advanced braking system, including air brakes and stability control, ensures safety and control, making this massive limo manageable even in urban environments. While fuel economy isn't a strong suit, considering its size and weight, the experience of riding in this extravagant machine outweighs any concerns about efficiency. From a technology standpoint, the F-650 Limousine doesn't hold back. It features a modern digital dashboard with touchscreen controls, allowing the driver to monitor vehicle performance and adjust settings with ease. Advanced safety features, including lane departure warnings, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, make maneuvering this giant more manageable. Rear passengers also get access to smart controls for climate, lighting, and entertainment, ensuring a tailored experience for every ride. With optional customization packages, owners can add even more high-tech features such as biometric security access, custom soundproofing, or even a partitioned VIP lounge area. The 2025 Ford F-650 Limousine is the definition of extreme luxury, built for those who demand something bigger, bolder, and more extravagant than the typical limousine. Whether it's being used for elite transportation, high-end events, or simply as a rolling symbol of wealth and power, this vehicle stands in a class of its own. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about making an unforgettable entrance and enjoying every moment of the journey. If you're in the market for something that pushes the boundaries of luxury and size, this limousine is an experience like no other.